In this video, I'm going to tell you about an amazing Hostinger coupon code through which you can get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do, just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be entitled to a page like this, where you can see about Hostinger, their primary deal, 30 days money back guarantee, and then you can see their reviews, Trust Pilot 4.6, Google 4.8, the host advice 4.5, WP beginner 4.7, everyone praising them for their services. Then you can see their three most popular plans. Even the premium plan is shown above as well, over here as well. Just make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, I'm going to give you two of the coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. But if you look around at the features, which I personally like, Hostinger got amazing features like manage WordPress, WooCommerce optimization. WooCommerce is for e-commerce stores. You are also getting free automatic website migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. One-click WordPress installation, WordPress acceleration, and then you can see their website builder has 150 plus design and craft templates included as well. But what I like about Hostinger is their security functions such as enhanced DDoS protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, secure access manager, and you're also getting free domain host privacy. And all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee. You also have access to global data centers, like you can host your website in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So you have ample of options to choose on. So you can see that they also provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology. They are at least 3 times faster if you compare them with their competitors. Now if you see their plans, they offer three plans. Now let's say we are going with this plan. You can even offer other plans as well by simply selecting hosting and selecting other plans. Now simply select the add to cart and we will be redirected to another page. Over the page, we are going to see the summary of what we are going to buy from Hostinger. Remember, make sure to use two of these coupon codes to get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger, and these links are available in the description of this video along with a special discount link. And this is a limited time deal, you can see over here as well. And then when you see everything, choose your billing period. Again, 48 months is a bargain, but you can choose any according to your preference. When you select your billing period, synchronize with your Google or Facebook account, or log in into your email ID, and then select your payment method. Once you select your payment method, select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link, and simply select the apply button. And you can see that the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use, which is with the name of HI10. Now simply select the apply button, and you can see that a price which was already discounted got a further discount. So you can enjoy your hosting with Hostinger with two of these amazing coupon codes. So my experience so far with Hostinger is very good, so I recommend you to go with Hostinger and use these two coupon codes to get amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.